In this section, you will learn how to control the flow of a program using selection statements. These statements allow a program to make decisions and execute specific blocks of code based on certain conditions. You will explore how to use different forms of the if statement, including the basic if statement, the if-else statement, and the else-if chain, which is useful when checking multiple conditions in sequence. You will also learn about the switch statement, which provides a cleaner way to handle multiple fixed values compared to multiple if-else statements. Finally, this section introduces the modern switch expression, which offers a more concise and expressive way to choose a value based on a condition.